Hey guys, I've got the Induction Nuwave Titanium Cooktop here, and I've got a little experiment set up for you. So I've got a stopwatch on my phone here. I'm going to see how long it takes this guy to boil 1 cup of water. So I'm just going to pour this water into it. We're going to start our timer and turn it on at the same time. So it's on sear, I'll leave it on high, and we'll hit start at the same time. I have the probe set up into it so we can actually see how fast it's going to rise in temperature. So you can see it's actually going down right now just because I just poured the water into it. So we're at 80 degrees now and climbing very quickly. Get you guys a little bit closer here. So 30 seconds, we're at 100 degrees. 45 seconds, it's already starting to simmer. 160 degrees. At 1 minute, we're at 180 degrees. And I'm gonna say that's a boil, it's just a slow boil. And I'm gonna say that's a hard boil at 110 seconds or so. Yep, that's a hard boil. So 110, 120 seconds, something along those lines. You can boil a cup of water. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off now. You can see how fast the water stops boiling. I love these little induction hot plates because they don't get very hot except for where the pan is at. So right now I can put my finger right up next to this pan and this is still the same temperature as way out here. So this doesn't get hot, it's just the pan that gets hot. Now the burner will get hot underneath where the pan was because the pan is hot. But overall guys, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I hope this answered some questions for you guys and I'll see you in the next one.